Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I have this big smile because I am absolutely so happy with my Mora coffee cup. Now, I cannot stand metal, even the stainless steel metal cups. I know they keep your coffee warm, but I just don't like the taste, and plastic is definitely out. So this Mora coffee cup, which is ceramic, is just perfect for me. It's perfect for my hand to hold. It is the cotton white, and you can see it has all these like natural speckles in it. I love the detailing right here as well of like the darker ring. It came with a really nice cover as well. It has a nice silicone ring around the edge so you don't have to worry about any leaking, and easy to open and close. I think it is wonderful. It's really nice on the go as well because it fits right in my car cup holder because it doesn't have a handle. So I love that. I enjoy my coffee so very much in this Mora ceramic cup. It is double walled, so the coffee stays nice and warm, and I just am happy drinking coffee out of it. If you're like me and you do not like the stainless steel and the plastic, then get yourself a beautiful Mora ceramic coffee cup. That's my point of view.